welcome to today's video, which is going to be my autumn decorate with me video. So I have been really excited to film this video. I've been planning to film this video for a little while. I've got all of my autumn goodies on the table over there and I can't wait to just put them out around my house and make my house really cozy and warm and homely for this upcoming month and just as we move into the colder months. But I must admit, I almost talked myself out of doing this video, basically because I have a little bit of a love-hate relationship with my home at the moment, as I'm sure we all go through these phases, don't we? And I absolutely love my home, but there are just lots of areas that need to freshen up and areas I want to change, and it almost stopped me from filming this video. But I talked myself out of it because I just thought you've got some really nice and cute autumn bits. Let's just get them out and have a lovely, relaxing, cozy day at home with lots of cups of tea, get all the candles lit and just make it just a really nice, homely day. So that is what we are doing in this video today. Currently, as I'm filming this, Aid has taken the babies out on a walk. I have tried to film this all morning, but my twin babies, who, if you're new to this channel, I have twin babies who are 1, and I also have a daughter who is 3. They've just needed a lot of my attention this morning, and I tried tidying up areas of my house, and then they're messing up another area of my house. If you've got young kids, then you know what it's like. It can be a lot. So Aid had a half day at work, and he has kindly taken them out for a little bit so that I can get on and film this video, talk to you guys, have a little catch up and get what I can done. But they will be back here in a bit and I'm sure I will show you them. The twins are wearing the most cutest autumn outfits today. I ordered them some really chunky cable knits from H&M and little dungarees, and they are just the cutest outfits ever. I am going to show you what I have got. This is a collection of things I have picked up this year. I've got a few little bits from last year. I actually thought I'd picked up more last year, so when I went through my boxes I didn't have as much as I thought. I got quite a lot there anyway, you'll see in a minute. There is quite a lot there to work with, but I keep seeing pieces which I really wish I'd got for this year. I want some more personalised family bits. I think that's what I'm missing out of my autumn collection. I'm not going to do it this year because we are already almost through September and I'm going to be decorating for Christmas probably before I even know it. And also I did actually have a lot of Halloween bits. I think this is where I was getting confused with the autumn and Halloween. I've got quite a lot of Halloween bits, but I won't be putting that out until closer to Halloween. If I got that all out now, it would just be too much clutter everywhere and I can't be dealing with that. But yeah, I'll show you what I've got. Let's make a lovely hot drink to get us fueled. Also, I'll show you some bits which we have got from Sainsbury's, which just look so delicious. Look at all of this Taste the Difference autumn edition food. It looks so delicious. Honestly, I can't wait to tuck into all of this lot. Obviously not all at the same time, but how amazing. We have gone for the black truffle pasta. We have got the soup here, butternut and sage risotto soup, truffle cheddar. If you can't tell, I'm obsessed with truffle. This looks insane. The quattro cheese bake. I mean, wow. We've got the winterberry crumble, and then we've also got the bacon camembert, which is honey and black truffle. This just looks so comforting and oh, I just cannot wait. I'm gonna get this away in the fridge now. And then this table over here, I cannot tell you how happy it is making me right now. Look at all of the pumpkins, the autumnal colours. I am just living for all of this. So I thought I'd run through quickly what we have down here. This is the wreath I was waiting for from the White Company, which I think is so beautiful. And I also feel like this is going to be a piece I'll keep in my house all year round. It doesn't have to just be for autumn. There's a few bits on here that I had from last year, a few new bits, and then like the dried flowers and things are already things I had in my home. I thought they looked quite harvest, quite autumny, so I have brought them down for this as well. I've also got a vase in my living room which I'm going to swap out for a pampas one, because again I just think the pampas comes through with the kind of harvest colours. I showed you quite a lot of this in my autumn decor haul, which if you haven't seen I will link down below for you. On this chair as well I've also got doormat. I've got a couple of new candles I got from TK Maxx the other day. So I got this one, and then I got this little pot here, which is also a candle. They both smell so good. Just lots of little bits. I think that was from Primark last year. I've got my mini pumpkins. These came in a pack from Amazon. These little salt and pepper shakers, these were next last year. I've got my garland from B&M. my glass pumpkin jar. That was from Home Bargains. This was from TK Maxx last year. Oh, it's filled with little pumpkins. I did not know that. Thanking my past self for packaging away all of my pumpkins. This was actually a candle from last year. So as you can see, it has been burnt down. But as the case is so nice, I've obviously kept it for just display purposes for this year. Moving on around, we've got some pumpkins from Primark, my little Etsy buys, which I'm gonna put in the playroom. Then I've got these gorgeous knit pumpkins. I've got this little brown one here, and then I also have this large white one. These are from AliExpress. So I'll link those. I was put off buying because of the delivery times. Obviously delivery times on AliExpress can take quite a while. They came in about a week, so really, really pleased with those. The woven basket from Next. More dried flowers. These acorns, these were from, not acorns, pine cones, sorry. These were from Primark. My throw from IKEA. I've got my tea towels. I've got my gorgeous wreath. I need Aid to go in the garage actually and get the wreath hook to go over the door so we can hang him up, but he is so beautiful. My dish from Next, I think they've got that again this year, so I'll link that down below for you. So I'm boiling the kettle now. I'm gonna make us a lovely hot drink. On my Christmas list this year, would really love to have a coffee machine. I've wanted one for so long, but I wanted to hold out so I can get a really nice one. Father Christmas, if you're listening, please, I would love, love, love a coffee machine. Also, have you had the pumpkin spice latte from Starbucks yet? I've had a few, but I am trying to not go mad because I don't need to be spending £4 on coffee every single day because that is just too much. And I have some really nice coffee syrups here, so I'll show you what I am using. So I did get all of these skinny syrups from TK Maxx Home Sense. We have pumpkin caramel scone, however you want to say it, mocha, pumpkin cinnamon roll, vanilla, salted caramel, and then maple donuts. I picked up in B&M the other day these chocolate and caramelized hazelnut lattes. So I think today that is what I'm going to have.
Been bad, you put smiles on everyone. I think of you and of all I should have done. It don't mean a thing what shape or form that you're
sunshine is shining through and they're making the room look really, really lovely, but it's actually hard to film with the light because I don't know how it's coming out on camera. But I've put the White Company wreath up there, which I love. We might need to come over a little bit actually. I think it's a little bit off center. There we go. I just don't know whether to put it up on the wall or just to leave it kind of just placed there, but I just like that as a simple thing up there right now. And over here I've made a start on a kind of little coffee station. We are very low on coffee, which is not good, and tea actually. And this is kind of the new setup. So this is a new mango cake stand that I got from B&M, and I've just popped a couple of the syrups on there. We've got a candle, I've got my little mugs from H&M, and just a little pumpkin there. I'm not 100% set on this setup at the moment, but at the moment it will do. And I think it's quite cute. I think in the mornings it'll feel quite nice. Making my coffee there. And then I've switched out the eucalyptus for some brown flowers. So I'm really loving how the brown looks against all of this. I put a candle up on here, and then I've got my little, oh, I think it's the one way around. There we go, market fresh salt and pepper shakers on the windowsill as well. So I think they just add a nice little bit of colour into the kitchen.
Place you're from, the wealth of the color of your skin. And all you have burns to the sky. It's all too late, and you wonder why. When really
What have you got there, Bo? Can Mummy have it? Is that a pumpkin? Is this what you're going to look like on the pumpkin patch? Oh, wow. Oh, where's that gone? Oh, where's it gone? He's under your tummy. Is it under your tummy?
on a breeze, I got no enemies, I just do what I please. Yes sir, I ain't got no things, no money, no means, just a wind in the wings. Yes sir, I got my feet on a cloud and I won't come down.
The living room all cozied up for autumn now. So I did want to have a really nice autumnal picture on this TV, but it hasn't happened because basically our internet has gone down. I don't know why, but we're having issues with Sky at the moment. So we just got this lovely black screen, but I put my autumn garland out. I fluffed it out with some eucalyptus. I changed out this down here. So this Fortnum and Mason basket was actually an our bay window, but I've moved over here because I just thought it added nicely to the warmth in this room. Then our console table, I've added a few little bits and bobs onto there. Not too much, but still quite a few pumpkins. Don't even ask about the pictures on the back of the wall. They have been empty since the dawn of time. They need filling. I need to make a mental note to fill those because, yeah, it's embarrassing how long they have been like that for. Moving on to here, I've added my little knitted pumpkins on the sofa here, a few pumpkins on that table there. And then over on our sofa, I've put out some of the warmer toned cushions that we got from IKEA the other day. This room as a whole in the house is probably the room I'm the least happy with and the one where we are going to be making some big changes. So, yeah. Watch this space if you want to see what we are going to be doing with this room. So I did want to decorate in the playroom today, but the kids are back from school and it's trashed. So I feel like the playhouse will be a job for a later date.